Hey everyone, it's your man GH002 coming back at you with another review. Today we're looking at Bandai's DX Chogokin 1/48 scale VF-1S Valkyrie Movie Edition. This Valkyrie was piloted by Hikaru in the Macross movie Do You Remember Love? It was released around the end of November 2019 and the MSRP was around 200 US dollars. But with it being so close to Christmas, unfortunately, I wasn't able to get it from AmiAmi. It just kept getting sold out, so I had to get it from a reseller. Paid a little bit of a premium, but it wasn't too bad. Anyway, with all of my reviews, haven't unboxed it yet, so you guys are going to see the contents as I see them. So part one is, of course, going to be the unboxing. Part two is going to be fighter. Part three is going to be Gearwalk. Part 4 is going to be Batroid, and I've been growing my Masterpiece Transformers collection since I've done my last review, so I will be throwing in some more common figures in as a size comparison, and I do have my other 1/48 scale Valks as well, the VF-1A and the VF-1J, so I'll be kind of throwing them in for feature comparisons as well. Anyway, let me get this plastic wrap off of this guy, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back. So before we actually open the box, let's take a look at the exterior. Bandai does a really good job of with the box design. So there's the front of the box, there's the sides. Let's see, did I go over this side already? No, I don't think I did. What's the other side? Did I look at that side? I believe I looked at all the sides already. Okay, there's the top. Oh, sorry for the jostling, guys. I'm using a different camera today. So the frame rate's going to be a little bit different. And here's the back of the box. All right, so let me go ahead and get this guy open, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so we're back. So in the box, of course, we have the instructions, we have the fighter, we have some fixed posed hands, we have the gun, we have the strap, we have the figure, we have our two sets of antenna right here for Gearwalk mode. Looks like we have our adapter for the stand. This is a tool that's used for transformation. The arm for the stand, some cavity fillers there, adapters for the stand, and then the base of the stand. So that's pretty much it. Yeah, that's it. So that was pretty much the unboxing, guys. So I will be back with part 2. I'm going to shoot part 2 very soon. With it being Christmas, I'll try to get to it soon. So yeah, guys, anyway, just stay tuned for that. Drop a comment, let me know what you thought, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.